Righto, we're halfway through, well halfway. We've got the frame and all that sorted together, front end's in. Now I've just got all the boxes of bits and pieces of all the bits and pieces. I sort of got to get to know where they all go. So I'm going to redo the foot peg brackets. I'll get them powder coated, silver them up, make them look pretty sweet. And yeah, that's it. So progress is going well. Just want to finish it. There we go. So halfway through putting it together. How you going, Ads?
Good, buddy.
We've got the famous Eagle Mike doohickey there. Replace those. What are they called? Those sprocket things? Balance sprockets. Changed balance sprockets. Done that. We put the big 685 kit in there. Now we're just going to put the flywheel on and do that part of the motor. Hopefully we can find those other dowels that we've lost, eh? Just checking the fucking handbook here. Bits all laid out there.
Rock on.
Hey, how we going? Hey, this is where we're at so far. Got the Tengai job. I thought I'd take it home, and because I can't do it at the shop, so I've just been dicking around here at home, and so far so good. Got the wiring loom. I think I'll have to wait till I get the motor in to get the wiring loom all sorted and where to put it and stuff there. So I'm just wondering whether to pull apart the wheels and powder coat them, but I think I'll get it together and I'll do that later on because it costs money. So here we go. And yeah, just showing you the progress. Cheers. I'm just tapping in the 10mm, up these from 8mm for your frame pieces to 10mm. My tensile, where is it? 10mm bolt. There we go. That'll hold that. Give it some strength on the back there. So yeah, we'll tap that in. And we got a stronger back subframe mount, so she don't crack. So. There's something you're doing all the old stuff. The new ones are good. They're good. Right, I might call it quits for the day. Now I'm going to put it back together and do the motor and so on. Chuck that in there. Just done the airbox. Just put the front end back on standard. I'm just cleaning up the back end. And I'll put it back together, get it all running and so on. Then I'll work out the paintwork and what to do with the rest of it. So stay tuned. Loving this. All good. Well, just picked up the bits from the powder coaters. This is the rear rack rails, swing arm chain adjuster bits, and the foot peg brackets. Man, heaps better, heaps cool. So can't wait to get them on. We'll go and stick them on, hey? Cheers. So that's got the 685 Schnitz racing kit. I've done the head on it. Bottom end was really good, so we just left that. And I'm going to give that a paint. I'm going to sand that back, get some paint, degreaser it, and give it a paint so that she comes up pretty sweet. I'll go on this farm, might as well go the whole hog. So that's what I've been waiting for. What have we got in here, mate? Righto, so we've got some paint stripper for the engine. I brushed it all over there. Got my wire brush, just getting that in. Just going to strip all this paint off and give the engine a repaint because it looks a bit cruddy next to the frame. So we're just doing that on. Just put the second coat of stripper off. You can see I've taken it off. It's taken bits off here and there, but I just want to get it pretty much off. This side's coming on pretty well, but yeah, there we go. Rightio, we've just done the first coat on the engine. It's looking okay. The floors stand out when you paint. As soon as you paint, it all stands out. So, but you know, I want to get this done so then I can get it in there. 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 Nearly ready to go in. Do another coat tomorrow. Probably do 3 coats on this, I reckon. That's cool. More to do. Righto, this is the bike so far. So I painted the engine. Gonna do that green in there. I thought black's the go, so had to cut the VIN number back out if you couldn't read that. Now I'm just going to do this guard, paint the guard up. Got some paint there to do that, so there we go. That's what we got happening. What size is that? So I'll paint those. I've got some polar white. Kawasaki's was a polar white, so it doesn't matter too much, I suppose, but there we go. Righto, the motor's in. There we go. We got it. Well, that was fun. Well, I'm trying to work this bloody thing. What's going on here? Rightio, it's been a long time. But the Tengai is not finished, but nearly finished. Just thought I'd show you some progress. I tried getting another tank, but this tank was the only one I could find. It's not real good, but the outside's worse than the other one, but the inside's better. The old one was all rusted out, so I've had to replace that. I just got to chuck a chain on there. With that, I was going to do the wheels, but I put new discs and brakes, and thought I'll just see how she runs first. Front, I've put a new master cylinder on there, brake pads, braided line, new tank lid. It's still a bit rusty in there, but that's cool. Everything tends to look alright. We've got the stuff there, haven't put fuel in it yet, but I know she runs. New master cylinder. So just put a new master cylinder on the back. Got to bleed these brakes up, get these brakes working, so I've done all that there. Just got to finish that, tighten that up. Got to knock a bolt out of there, snap bolt in there. Got the progressive shock, 680 kit. Just left the CVK carby and the flat slide wouldn't go in. It was just too much mucking around. Mate, it's only KLR. See, the tank is not what I liked, but so I just got to do. I'm going to take all that off again, but I just thought I'd show you where we're at. There's a rad hose leaking in there. That I'll just pull that back out and have a look and put some more coolant in and put the cover back over that, and then we should be nearly ready to go. I've got some new Metal Gear brake discs. I'm going to take these off and redo the whole wheel spokes and everything, but when I get some money, I'll put a standard KLR bash plate on it, which I broke when I put it up on there, so I'll get rid of that and adjust that a little bit further. But she's coming on all right. Sorry about the delay, everyone. I know a lot of people have been saying what's going on with it, but it's nearly there, so thank you. I'll show you some more later. Cheers. Okay, so here we go. The bottom triple tree was bent, which obviously the forks and everything weren't straight, so I've had to remove it all again. I think I've pulled the bike apart 20 times so far with that. So, yeah, hey, thanks for watching. I've now since rejetted the carb, put a 140 main in it with a 40 pilot. It seems to run pretty sweet. So, hey, thanks for watching. Check out number 4. It'll be all finished very soon. So, hey, take care. We'll see you soon. Don't you love it? Yeehaw!
Bye.